Right, okay, so I'm thinking I'm gonna make this with like with some noises, I think. And let's see what it looks like. So I'm gonna just grab like a normal sand color, which is gonna be, oh, I don't know. What color's sand? Like that? Ooh, that's way too yellow. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that for now.
Are there any sand like bumps or anything in the asset browser?
No, I
No,
looked.
they aren't.
And so instead, I'm just going to use Maxon Noise and I'm going to make it super small and I'm going to hope that it looks okay. I mean, it's going to look amazing, is what I meant to say.
Of course.
All right, cool. So I'm just going to plug the Maxon Noise straight into the output so I can kind of see what's going on. And I'm just going to like flick through some of these. I mean, they're going to let me make them smaller first so I can actually see what's going on. Oh, I'm going to have to go real small. Let me just see what they look like. Any of you guys think that okay? We're now through the same. Right, you know what? I'm just gonna stick with like.
What was that one that we were using that you were like, it's like.
Oh, my favorite one at the moment.
Yeah.
Booyah, mainly because it's called Booyah, and I like to say that word. I'm gonna make it a bit smaller. Oh. Whatever sounds the coolest. Right, hang on. Let me make it a bit smaller again. There we go. Okay, cool. Right, so that looks okay. So let me plug this back into here. And
there it is.
Here it is. And I'm going to grab myself a bump map. And I'm just going to plug that into my input and that into my bump input. Beautiful.